Hey, what's up? Uncle Maxford, shut up!
What happened to me?
Apparently you held the A button too early, Billy.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, Billy is, Toad.
Yes, but,
Jeffory is Mario. Mario. Wade is Yoshi. Moshi. Moshi. Wait, what are we doing? And James is Luigi. Look at Jeff getting murdered. Hey, I've heard if I'm not first, I'm last.
exactly.
Ouch!
Hey, oh my gosh, I'm in first. Go, Billy. Go, Billy.
Screw. Don't you dare say screw him! Ow, something's hitting me. Now James is in first. Uncle Maxford, stop talking to the freaking dubbing. You are not even. Shut up.
Can you two please get along? Ow! Wait a minute. How did James get so far ahead? Oh! I'm hitting the wall. I'm sorry.
Fourth. Oh no. Explode, spin out, hit the road.
I just entered my third lap, Wade.
Oh, okay.
Ouch!
I'm sorry, Jeffory, I need to get you out of the way.
Yahoo! Ow! Exploded again!
Boof! No! What are you laughing about, James?
I was a ghost when you shot the thunderbolt.
Oh, that's gay.
Oh my gosh, look at me, I'm so far ahead. I'm in the next time zone.
What's with you, James?
I don't know.
The flippers!
What was that?
Ouch.
James is in first.
But what was that? I'm sorry, I had to be out there. Had to be out there somewhere. Ow! I hit the thing. It hit me. And whoa! Jeffory, move your head. Oh my cheese. Billy somehow got second. Wade got third. Jeffory sucks. Just because I'm the oldest.